Looking to deposit Bitcoin into your Bitget wallet but don't know how to find your Bitcoin wallet address? In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find your Bitcoin wallet address on Bitget. Let's get started. First, open the Bitget app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Assets section. Tap on Assets to see all your balances and wallets. Next, tap on Add Funds, then select Deposit Crypto. In the search bar, type Bitcoin and select it. Now for the most important step, choosing the network. You'll see options like Bitcoin Lightning Network and Binance Smart Chain. I recommend using the Bitcoin network, so select Bitcoin and your wallet address will be displayed. You can now copy your wallet address to share or use it to deposit Bitcoin into your Bitget wallet. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.